Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to combine products on Shopify. Shopify doesn't have a built-in feature to combine products, so you will need a third-party app like Bundler. Install it from Shopify app, scroll down, then click install, then click install. After installing the app, select create a bundle, then click classic bundle, scroll down and choose the individual products you want to combine. Click select products, then select and add. After creating that bundle, it will appear as a product in your store. You can promote it or offer discounts to encourage purchase. And that's it. You have successfully combined product on Shopify. Thanks for watching.